And as I rode out through Galway town to seek for recreation on the 17th of August, me mind being elevated, there were multitudes assembled with their tickets at the station, and me eyes began to dazzle, and they going to see the races. Timmy whack, fall the do, fall the dinnery idle. There were passengers from Limerick and passengers from Neenah, passengers from Dublin and sportsmen from Tipperary. There were passengers from Kerry and all quarters of the nation, and our member Mr. Hawley for to join the Galway Blazers. Timmy whack, fall the do, fall the dinnery idle. There were multitudes from Arran and members from New Quayshore, the boys of Connemara and the Clare unmarried maidens. People from Cork City who were loyal, true and faithful, they brought home the Fenian prisoners from dying in foreign nations. Timmy whack, fall the do, fall the dinnery idle. And it's there you see the picture.
Witching gold shine, gold, all along the pine of the royal.
And it's there you'll see the gamblers, the Tyndalls and the Garters, and the sporting wheel of fortune with the 4 and 20 quarters. There was others without scruple pelting what was at poor Maggie, and our daddy well contented to be gawking at his daughter. Timmy whack, fall the do, fall the dinnery idle. And it's there you'll see the pipers and the fiddlers competing, the nimble-footed dancers and the tripping on the daisies. There was others shouting cigars and lights and bills for all the races, with the colours of the jockey and the price and horses' ages. Timmy whack, fall the do, fall the
holds together, and it might, so it might.
Hospitality, inducing Mr. Paisley. Timmy whack, fall the do, fall the dinnery idle. And Timmy whack, fall the do, fall the dinnery idle. Hush a vocal, hush and listen, and his cheeks were all aglow. I bear orders from the captain, get you ready quick and soon, for the pikes must be together at the rising of the moon, at the rising of the moon, at the rising of the moon, for the pikes must be together at the rising of the moon. And come tell me, Sean O'Farrell, where the gathering is to be. At the old spot by the river, quite well known to you and me. One more word for signal token, whistle out the marching tune, with your pike upon your shoulder at the rising of the moon, at the rising of the moon, at the rising of the moon, with your pike upon your shoulder at the rising of the moon. Out from many a mud-walled cabin, eyes were watching through the night. Many a manly heart was beating for the blessed morning light. Murmurs rang along the valley to the banshee's lonely croon, and 1,000 pikes were flashing by the rising of the moon, by the rising of the moon, by the rising of the moon. And 1,000 pikes were flashing by the rising of the moon, all along that singing river, that black mass of men was seen. High above their shining weapons flew their own beloved green. Death to every foe and traitor, whistle out the marching tune. And hurrah, me boys, for freedom, 'tis the rising of the moon. 'Tis the rising of the moon, 'tis the rising of the moon. And hurrah, me boys, for freedom, 'tis the rising of the moon. To see your rattle and roar, and Willie, you're welcome hame to me. Oh, Willie, come sell your fiddle, say fine. Oh, Willie, come sell your fiddle and buy a pint of wine. If I should sell my fiddle, the world would think I was mad, for many's the rant and nay, my fiddle and I had. As I come by Crochal I cannily keek at Ben, oh rattle and roar, and Willie was sitting at John Bourdain, sitting at John Bourdain, and the man got company, oh rattle and roar, and Willie, you're welcome hame to me. Oh rattle and roar, and Willie,
here, and then the dip in the road, we're going to go right and follow that all the way up to the main road. When you hit the main road, then you're going to stay on the main road, so it'll be going to right again, but there's a small narrow road, avoid that, go on the main road. You'll come past the pub saying the Red Fox Inn, and after that then you're coming to your next step.
At the pub on the crossroads there's whiskey and beer. There's brandy from cognac that's fragrant but dear. But for killing the thirst and for raising the gout, there's nothing that all beats a pint of good stout. Drink it up, man, it's long after 10. At the pub on the crossroads I first went astray. There I drank enough drink for to fill Galway Bay. Going up in the morning I wore out me shoes, going up to the cross for the best of good booze. Drink it up, man, it's long after 10. Some folk o'er the water think bitter is fine, and others they swear by the juice of the vine. But there's nothing that's squeezed from the grape or the hop like the black liquidation.
Half hour spare, how will I kill it? I'll nip up the road, I'll hop in for a jam with the chimes of 4 bells. I look back in amazement.
At the sound of good music I'll sing or I'll dance. So hear me then, mister, and pour me one more. If I cannot drink it up, then throw me out the door. Drink it up, man, it's long after 10. It's Guinness. Stuff, drink it up, man, it's long after 10. Drink it up, man, it's long after 10. At the pub on the crossroads there's whiskey and beer.